Here's the image that inspired this week's Pattern to Polymer tutorial. I started this slab with some Primo metallic gold that I rolled to a 4 on my pasta machine. To mimic the icing on the donut, and I'm copying the donut with the blue icing and the roses, I'm using some white liquid Sculpey, and I'm going to mix in a little bit of peacock pearl liquid Sculpey to achieve a color similar to that of the original photo. To spread my creamy icing made with liquid clay, I'm just using a little spatula, and I'm going to drizzle it on, kind of up and down, zigzag, again to mimic that original icing on the donut, and then use the flat edge of the little spatula to smooth it together. The little sprinkle area on the donut sort of reminded me of these little glass micro beads, and I'm using some gold ones, and I'm just going to spread them on to the liquid clay randomly. You may have to add some more of these after baking, which can easily be done by just adding a little more liquid clay, some more beads, and then baking again, because some of them will set down into that liquid clay. Now I'm going to place some little roses that I made with some pale pink Primo. I just had some clay that I mixed to get this color, but you could use any color that you'd like. And I'm not great at making these little handmade roses, but there are a number of tutorials online to show you how to do those. And I'm just cutting the backs off so they'll lie a little closer to the surface of the slab. To add the other 3 shades of little sprinkles to mimic the original donut, I'm using these Hot Fix cabochons, the little ceramic cabochons from Create Along, and I'm just going to place them right into that liquid clay. And here is a peek at the finished slab. I did let it set overnight before I cut it, just to give that liquid clay a little bit more time to solidify. And then I used 2 sizes from the bib collar set of cutters from Create Along to cut 3 elements to put together for my necklace, and baked them according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once they were out of the oven and cool, I drilled the holes, 2 on each side of the larger piece and 1 on each side of the 2 side pieces. Then I assembled the necklace. I used gold tone jump rings and coordinating sari ribbon to connect the 3 elements and also to connect the necklace to the closure. I'm Cindi McGee, and I hope you enjoyed this Pattern to Polymer tutorial. Find lots more amazing polymer clay videos here on Polymer Clay TV, and share your projects in our Polymer Clay Tribe Facebook group.